So I've got this small, awkward dead space here that's right across from the island here. So I needed like a small piece of furniture, but not too big because there's a walkway here and the benches are here for the countertops. So I've been searching for just the right piece that doesn't come out too much and takes away from the walking space, but that will kind of complement the furnishings. So let's see how this goes. So this is a shot of the kitchen. I will say if you see any dust at all, just forgive. It's been a struggle with new construction. It's a lot of dust because the house is settling, as well as there's construction still going on outside. So it's been really hard to keep things nice and shiny, especially the floors. It's been a real struggle. You can see here. And I literally just dust mopped this morning. All right, so this is the piece here, and as you can see, it's like in a gazillion pieces here. But this is what I found, the piece of furniture that will be assembled and will go in that spot. It was kind of hard. Another thing I should have mentioned too is the cabinets are dark. They are brown, but they look black. So that was another thing that I had to find. So not only was I looking for a smaller, more narrow piece, but also with the colors that would match the cabinets. And the cabinets here, they really do look like they're black, but they are very dark, like espresso brown color. And this is the final cabinet. As I see it assembled, it could have been a little bit longer, but all in all, it's perfect. It doesn't come out too far into that walkway, so that part is good. And it's a decent looking piece of furniture, so let's get it styled. Before we do that, let's show the compartments. So there's an open section here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there. There's a section here for wine, which will be nice. And then that slides with a door there. And then there's 3 shelves here for other items. And then a area here. And then 2 drawers. So it actually has quite a bit of storage space, which is definitely much needed. So let's put things together. So one of the things that I really liked when I went into a lot of the models was a clear countertop. And I vowed that I would keep the countertop clear. And although I don't have a lot on the countertops, I think I'm gonna move this coffee maker over to the coffee bar so that I can really have a lot more counter space just for, you know, cooking, prep, whatever. And I just want to have that nice, clean countertop look. Now this was my bar cart in the old house, and it's like an antique cart with the wheel on it. And then it has the extension here that is really old and needed some service, so it wasn't really staying up anymore. So I would just leave it down there, but you can see the adult beverages are down there. And it is probably time to retire this cart, although it breaks my heart. I just don't know if it's gonna work out. But if it does, what I definitely will be doing is painting this to be more to match with the decor, because I don't really have anything in this color anymore. So that may be something that I'll do with it, because I love this little card. I just think it's so cute. And it wouldn't be that much to get it so that the leaves, the levers or whatever you call those on the side will stay up if I needed to have that. But I think it's really cute. So this is the card all finished. And I put the Nespresso machine on top and the milk aerator, and just put all the cups and everything. It just freed up so much space. Like in the cabinets, all of this stuff was in the cabinets, so now I've got this space kind of filled in, which is what my goal was, but also freed up some cabinet space, which is nice. So in the cabinets, what I've done is I took everything that was on my bar card and kind of put that in there. So that has a home now. This is kind of like a catch-all drawer. Got some coasters in there, my martini shaker, and some Thanksgiving candles that just needed to have some place to go. Didn't want to put them with my Christmas stuff and then forget them and never use them. I put some extra kitchen towels in here. And then I've got just cups, my mugs, sugar, extra sugar. Put my wine there and my glasses. The only thing that I will say about this piece is that when you kind of close the cabinets, you hear the glasses kind of clanking together, which is no big deal because, you know, it's just no big deal. So this is my coffee maker, and I've got my little dish here. It's supposed to be like for sugar cubes, but I just use the raw sugar. So I'll put those in there. And that is the finished cart. I am very, very pleased. I'll put the information for this piece in the description box below. It is from Wayfair. And if you are familiar with Wayfair, they have very, very good sales that they have from time to time. And then you can find coupons for them on Retail Me Not. So got it for a good deal. I will link it below if you're interested in it, but this is what it looks like, and I really do like it. And now in the meantime, this is the countertop where the coffee maker was, which is now gone. So I do have now more clean space for, you know, cooking or whatever. I just like that look. What I'll probably do to kind of balance it out is maybe move my blender over on this side just so that I have something here and not have the other side really cluttered up. Also, I have my security alarm box there, which definitely is not going to be staying there, so that'll go away as well, and that'll be a better look, I think.